explain to you what we're doing here. So over the next couple of weeks, even a couple of months, or even forever, I'm going to start this this tutorial series on core programming and the I'm trying to think on how to word this, but it's like it's just the core framework. That's what I was looking for. It's the core iOS framework. We're not going to be working with any other frameworks in this series right here. Now, I will be doing other videos besides this series, so don't worry. I'm not forever going to spend the entire time about the core series. So anyway, we're going to create a single view application, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to name this core framework. And we will be using Swift and iPhone. Sorry I haven't been posting a whole lot lately. I've been in a lot of, you have the World Cup going on. I mean, I don't usually watch soccer or football or whatever you call it, but I usually don't watch it. But World Cup comes along, and it's the best of the best. So it's really a lot of fun to watch, and even if it is an hour and a half of my life that I won't get back, I mean, hey, it's still fun. I'm sure there's other people that think American baseball is boring. They have baseball in other countries. American football, that's what I'll look for. I'm sure people think that's boring, or maybe there's even people that haven't heard of it. But anyway, a little off topic there. So you have your view controller. Is what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put in a text, or actually no, you're going to do a label, and I actually center it up. Go ahead, make it centered, make it so the text is centered, and then on top of this you're going to expand it. You're going to make it wide. And then label, I'm going to do, what is your name? Alright, and then on top of that, I want to do a text field. So go ahead, put in a text field. Make it just slightly off, like that. Actually, I mean, it really doesn't matter. But you're going to want it at the top, so that way you have room for the keyboard. And then set name for the button. Let's see here. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open up our assistant editor. Today's going to be short and sweet. Oh, hold up. Orientation, portrait. Alright, go ahead. I'm going to give myself some room. The label, I'm going to call it just label 1. Text field, I'm going to call it text field 1. And then the button's going to be an action. And today is very short and sweet. We'll expand on this in future tutorials, but make sure it's an action. And I'm just going to name it set name. And then inside of it, we're going to do label1.text equals text field 1.text. Alright, that is a one line, that's one line of code, just one. And with this, it's going to give the app a little bit of functionality. Now in a future video, I'm going to show you how to save the name so that when the app opens up, the name is still there. And I'm going to expand on this forever and ever and ever. Hopefully, I mean, I don't know. Core Framework has a lot. I misspelled framework, didn't I? Frameword. Whatever. Anyway, yeah. So I actually have a little, I guess you could call it a poll I want you to take. It will be in the description. I just kind of want to get a feel from my audience and what they want. It's pretty much, what do you guys want? You can post that in the comments. But I really want to know about you guys and yeah. So anyway, what is your name? I'm just going to say Cameron Grant, and set name, and it changes the title or the label text. So I could change it to Swift Devs set, and it changes, and that's all it does. But the thing is, I mean, it's essentially adding a little bit of functionality. In the future, well, actually, hopefully within the next week, I will expand on this and we'll move off of it. Anyway, so the poll, the questionnaire, whatever you want to call it, that'll be in the link in the description. I really want you to fill it out. It won't take any more than 60 seconds of your time if you do it quick. Now, if you want to go all elaborate on me, I mean, you're more than free to do that. So anyway, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to Swift Devs. Thank you if you've already subscribed to Swift Devs, as we have more than 1,000 subscribers now. I think we have like 1,500. I'm not sure, but we're getting close to 1,500 if we're not there. So thank you for subscribing. Follow us on Twitter at SwiftDevs. We would love to follow. And thank you if you already are, because we're at about 11,000 right now. Thank you for watching. I'm Cameron.